Here at Conair, we have had some long-standing traditions. Since 1956 in Franklin, Pennsylvania, Conair has had the long tradition of innovating the plastics industry through designing and building high-quality industrial equipment for plastics processors. And now I'm excited to tell you about a new tradition we're starting. Or wait, did we start it last year? For the second year in a row, as the start of a new tradition, attendees to the MAPP Benchmarking Conference in October, the 4th through the 6th in Indianapolis, will have a chance to win our Conair branded Yeti Roadie 24 cooler. Now this thing is full of all kinds of great Conair swag. Doing something once is trying something new. Doing something twice with the intention of continuing it, that's the start of a tradition. So Conair is excited to start this tradition of giving away a Yeti cooler at the MAPP Benchmarking Conference. Now what is not a new tradition to Conair is attending the MAPP Benchmarking Conference. In fact, MAPP was founded in 1997 and has now over 500 member companies. But Conair has been involved since early on, and we have been the premier auxiliary equipment supplier for the MAPP Association, that's the Manufacturers Association of Plastics Processors here in the United States. And we're really proud of our involvement with the MAPP Association. So make sure you check out mappinc.com to learn more about the MAPP Association, but also make sure you plan to attend the MAPP Benchmarking Conference. I always find it to be an excellent conference. It'll be October 4th through the 6th, and while you're there, stop by the Conair tabletop to see Sam and Tom talk about your equipment needs, your plastics processing problems. They'll be happy to help you out, and they'll be happy to get you registered to win this Yeti cooler. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in Indianapolis, October 4th through the 6th at the MAPP Benchmarking Conference.